Hello, my name is Wendy Myers of MyersDetox.com. You guys know I talk a lot about detoxing your body of heavy metals and chemicals, and to do that it's really important to use all natural organic skincare so you're not putting toxins into your skin which then absorb into your body and interfere in your hormones. I've been using a product line that I'm absolutely in love with and that I 100% want to recommend to you called Annmarie Skin Care. These are organic, natural products. They use essential oils in them. There's no synthetic fragrances. They have wild-crafted ingredients in them. They smell heavenly. They transform your skin. They reduce the appearance of fine lines. They reduce redness in your skin, reduce inflammation. They soften your skin. I'm so in love with them. Just for my listeners, we're gonna offer you a very special gift of this anti-aging skincare line. And I love these products so much. The first one is the Aloe-Herb Cleanser. This has lemon essential oil in it, and it's got aloe vera, which calms and heals your skin. And it also has calendula in it, which smells heavenly. The smell of this facial cleanser is out of this world. You also get this Neroli Toning Mist. This is the flower of the orange plant. It's the flower of orange. Spray it on, it reduces inflammation, and it just smells unbelievable. It's my very, very favorite toner that I've ever used. Then you also get this just fantastic anti-aging facial oil. It has got essential oils of goji berry, it's got broccoli seed oil, and it also has jojoba oil in it as well. This facial oil, I use it every single night on my skin. It has completely transformed my skin. It's unbelievable. And you get this kit for the unbelievable price of $9.99 and $4.99 shipping. It's a fantastic deluxe sample kit. I want you to try it because I know you're going to completely fall in love with these products just like I have. Just click on the link below and try them, see for yourself.